The Vanguard Growth Index Fund ETF is a popular investment option that tracks the performance of the CRSP US Growth Index. This index is designed to measure the investment return of growth stocks in the U.S. market. The fund is traded on the stock exchange like any other ETF, allowing investors to buy and sell shares easily. To understand the Vanguard Growth Index Fund ETF, it is essential to know what growth stocks are. Growth stocks are shares of companies that are expected to experience high growth rates in the future, often due to their innovative products, services, or business models. These companies typically reinvest their profits to fuel further growth, rather than paying out dividends to shareholders. The Vanguard Growth Index Fund ETF holds a diversified portfolio of growth stocks, with the top holdings including well-known companies such as Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft. The fund is designed to provide broad exposure to the U.S. growth stock market, allowing investors to benefit from the potential long-term growth of these companies. One of the key benefits of the Vanguard Growth Index Fund ETF is its low cost. The fund has an expense ratio of 0.04%, which is significantly lower than many actively managed growth stock funds. This means that investors can keep more of their returns, as they are not paying high fees to the fund manager. In terms of investment strategy, the Vanguard Growth Index Fund ETF is a long-term investment option. It is not designed for short-term trading or speculative investing. Instead, it is suitable for investors who are looking to invest in the U.S. growth stock market for the long haul, and are willing to ride out any market fluctuations. To get started with the Vanguard Growth Index Fund ETF, investors can open a brokerage account with a reputable online broker. They can then search for the fund using its ticker symbol VUG and place a buy order for the desired number of shares. It is essential to evaluate your financial goals and risk tolerance before investing in the fund, and to consider consulting with a financial advisor if needed. Overall, the Vanguard Growth Index Fund ETF is a low-cost and diversified investment option that provides exposure to the U.S. growth stock market. By understanding the fund's investment objective, strategy, and benefits, investors can make informed decisions about whether it is a suitable addition to their investment portfolio.